PN-60W, and the Spot communicator. So that's really for us. It's peace of mind wherever you go, tying together a rugged handheld GPS device with the ability to have lots of different map types, aerial imagery, USGS quad sheets, topographic data set, all of that GPS functionality, and the Spot messaging capability that Spot brings to us with the communicator, so that you can send or track progress, one message every 10 minutes for the duration of your trip, or send a check-in message, which is to any of your contact groups, and you can send a predefined message, up to 14 different predefined messages you might have created back home before you left. Or you could actually do a type and send message in the field, which lets you type up to 41 characters of a text message and send that from anywhere in the world where Spot has coverage, and have that message delivered either as an SMS text message or an email, or delivered to Twitter or Facebook, or sent to a Spot adventure page where people can see your progress and check in and watch that. Also allows you to send a help message if you need someone to come and assist, or in the worst case scenario, an SOS message to the Geo Search and Rescue folks, and they would actually contact the local search and rescue to come in and help you. So, yeah, we're very excited. Mentioned earlier, just received news that Popular Mechanics has actually voted the PN-60W and Spot as a breakthrough product for 2010. So, all kinds of great feedback here at DeLorme. You are now one of the contacts, and I'm going to go and add you to my contact list, just to make sure that our demo is rock solid. Peek around the corner and make sure I get the right information. I just added you into Chip Noble's contacts. And Brian, can you review this just to make sure? bplando@gmail.com, 414-530-0029. So you are now into the contact group. So all that information is on the GPS. And we look at the Spot page. We do a check-in. Chip Noble's contact now includes you. I can also send to Twitter or Facebook, and I can go and type in a message. So we'll head outside and we'll send a message, and you should be able to confirm success or failure from my demo and whether or not I should be paid for the day. Take my little Spot communicator off my neck here. Hold that out for us to see. So the Spot communicator is looking at the sky, so I can do a check-in message, and I'm going to choose Chip's contacts, where Brian is now part of, and I'll go down and type in a message, and we will say demo. Whoop, and my suspect typing skills will become apparent. Demo with Brian, and I end all my messages with an exclamation because everything's exciting. Demo with Brian, and I hit send, and that message is going off to the satellites right now. It says sending, and in a few seconds it'll go out and you'll see the LEDs flashing on the Spot communicator. So the first message went. Sends each message 3 times to increase the probability that it'll get through. Should we, for example, standing here next to the Salt Palace, if the building was too close, or if you had really dense tree cover, something that interfered with one of the messages, there are 2 extra messages going that will help with that. My phone just buzzed. Is there any chance yours did?
Mine did too.
Yeah, do you have a text message on your device? What's that say?
Demo with Brian.
Demo with Brian. So there it is. That is the satellite messaging capability from Spot and DeLorme, the PN-60W, and the Spot communicator.